right, last battery. Ow. Rock hit my throat. What is up? I'm Team FPV back with another video, and today we are going to do trick number 22 of 64. And it rained a little earlier, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain again. That'd be pretty bad. Also, I don't know if you're like me, my allergies are going crazy right now. So yeah, grab a tissue, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's spin the wheel. So we're doing trick number 22, the pendulum. So should be a lot of fun. Let's see what we can cook up today. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm in the wrong profile though, that's for sure. There we go. Whew. Real nervous about that one. All right, so looking at this trick, kind of just looks like a power loop, but you get up and you say, you know what, I don't want a power loop, I want to do the pendulum. If that makes sense. Right? So, okay. So you just do a power loop, but you say, screw that, I'm not doing a power loop, I'm going to do something else. And then you fall. All right. So I want to practice the canceling the power loop part, because that's what and then I gotta fall for like a couple seconds. So yeah, let's see how this boogies out. Yeah, I go too far when I cancel it though, that's my problem. Yeah, and then I could do the, it's not really like the backward swing part, but it's definitely the bottom of the U, if that makes sense. So I think this trick really just looks like a U. And that's truly what you're going for. So, sounds fun. Sounds cool. I hear voices. Are they in my head or are they around me? All right, so let's try this again. Oh, 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 something feels off balance. All right, you know what, let's bring it in. Something is wobbling like it shouldn't. You know, if this ant gets on this drone right now, he's about to go for the ride of his life. Whew. All right, battery number 2. As we begin, I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July, if you're an American. If you're not an American, I'm sure you celebrate independence from the British at some point. If you're British, you know, just be glad that you do a lot for other countries, you know? They all celebrate independence because of you. So yeah, anyway, let's do this. So I gotta cancel it and then drop back down. I feel like I don't drop down fast enough, right? And then my throttle is like too high, I need to, you know? That was crude. Like I'd count that, but it certainly was not pretty. And then go up. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, dang, I had it. All right. I don't think I'm gonna get longer. Let's go this. That's cool. I'm not gonna get as long flight times because the Powerloop is pretty battery heavy. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. Yeah. I'm having a great day. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you're having a stellar day. I know I'm supposed to be doing the trick right now, but I'm just having fun flying. Sometimes you gotta just have fun flying, you know? All right, let's bring it in. Someone said I need to change my expo, and I intend to do that, but I couldn't really get the time to experiment this week. All right, last battery. Ow. Rock hit my throat. All right. I have an orthodontic appointment today. I don't know if you've noticed in the videos, you probably have. I have braces. I'm a grown man who needs straight teeth, you know? Maybe we hope. I don't like that though. Because I feel like, yeah. So I have an orthodontist appointment today. I hope I can have it taken. Or have them taken off today. Who knows? I don't. I don't like that. What was the trick I did last time? What was the last trick I did? I think it was a backwards swing. I think this is sort of like the backwards swing, just like with the Powerloop. You know? But I can't get the right, what's it called? Like the right momentum of the, I think I need to go up more. I'm going forward too much. Let's see that, and then down. Yeah, my timing's a little off. I think that was good. All right. .6. I think I'm gonna have to land pretty soon. But first, check this out. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Thought that was gonna be a lot cooler. It was not. Let's just do a Powerloop. I haven't done those in a while. All right, I'm feeling good, feeling confident. I think we did it. Yeah. I enjoyed this. Let's go through the gate like a proper citizen. Ooh. Nice. Disarmed. All right, another, are you even recording? All right, another trick down. Episode 22 of 64, the pendulum. I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5 stars. I'm always so nervous to fall to the ground because if I push it a little too far, I have no other drone. So that's kind of it. You know, I have no other 5-inch, I should say. I have the other one, but. So yeah, pendulum, 3 out of 5, 5 stars. Again, I'm Team FPV, episode 22 of 64, pendulum. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed and hit the like button. And if we get this video to 50 likes, I will revisit a trick that we have done and I will try to do it infinitely better. I'll revisit an old trick. So yeah, that's it. Once again, I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.